Hey guys, it's Tim and Azad here with Calgary Real Estate Wealth. We've got a great question that came to us the other day. Is now a good time to sell your home and upgrade?
Yeah, and the reason why we really want to get this out there is that, Tim, we've had record sales this year.
Yep.
Not only record sales, properties are going into multiple offers and they're going conditionless. So we're seeing record prices. We just closed last night on a townhouse in Silver Springs that we actually wanted to list him for $299 and it sold for $332. Highest price, Tim, in the last 10 years.
Yeah, and everything we're listing right now is just flying off the shelf. We cannot keep any inventory. And that's the same problem for most listing realtors in town here. They just can't keep the inventory. It's selling too fast.
Yes, is that if you're contemplating, and the reasons why you should be contemplating on selling is that you can get top dollar right now and it's easy to sell. And the reasons why you would sell is that we don't think property prices are coming down, Tim.
That's right. So you'll get top dollar for your property. And when you go to buy your next property, you're going to be able to port your current mortgage so that you don't have any extra financing costs when you buy that new house.
Now, Tim, who should be thinking of maybe taking action and moving forward?
Well, somebody who needs more space. Like if you need a bigger house, your family's growing, or if you want to move to a better neighborhood and the current neighborhood you're living in maybe have a few problems.
Mm-hmm.
If you move up to a new neighborhood, you're enhancing your lifestyle.
Not only that, Tim, if the kids are at a school and it's further away and you want to move closer to the school or closer to work, whatever the story is, we don't believe house prices are going to come down. So now is the time to take action and maybe move out of that home you're in if it's not fitting all of those needs and upgrade today. Tim, who else should be looking at this?
The next asset class we're going to talk about is luxury properties. Now, if you want to upgrade, sell your home and upgrade to a luxury property, now is a great time to do it because that market is soft right now.
Yeah, we can't believe the deals that are above the $1 million range. It's a very soft market and people can upgrade, Tim, if they're in the 700, 800, 900 range. We've seen properties that were once worth $850, say last year, and we're getting $1 million for them today.
That's right.
So you can maximize the value. And you have to remember in some asset classes, it's peaked at its price. Now, we're not saying it's not going to continue to go up, but normally, Tim, we see it stall. And some properties are duplexes. We know they peaked, Tim, at 500,000. We've seen them over 500,000. We believe those types of properties or townhouses or even cookie cutters up on the west side, Tim, they can only be worth so much because the whole community has to go up in value at the same time. So those people that feel that their property is maxed out for now, it's time to get into a bigger home because you'll get the best returns or that will grow even more going forward.
Yeah, the larger the asset, the higher the equity is going to grow over time. So if you move into that right now, you're going to be able to realize all of those gains going from now forward. So if you're in that home for another 20 years, that price could even double or triple. And if you're in a $1.2 million home, that's a huge increase in your net worth.
Yeah. I mean, the average price properties, they go like this, but those big, high luxury homes, they just go up like this. They go from 1.2, 1.3. We were buying these homes last year for our clients, and now they're all in the 1.6 range, and they've done extremely well. And the properties that they were in, Tim, are the same price roughly from what they sold it at. So the proof is there. We've seen it.
Yep.
And now who else? One last set of people are the tenants out there.
Yeah, the last group of people we want to talk to are tenants. If you're living in a condo right now or you're renting a property, now is a great time to buy. Now, why do we say it's a great time to buy when interest rates are where they are and where prices are rising? Because we don't believe prices are going to fall. So if you can get into the market, if you can qualify for a certain amount to just get into the market, you may as well get in now because in another year, 2 years, you're going to be priced out of the market and you're going to continue renting for the foreseeable future.
Yeah, not only that, your rents are going through the roof. We've seen rents go up $1,000 in some cases. So the average now, Tim, must be around $2,000 to rent.
It is, yeah.
A two-bedroom condo in Calgary or a single-family home's way above that. But you're just pouring all that money out the door where you could be putting it into a property, you could be paying down the mortgage, you could be creating equity, and that property is going to go up as well.
Yeah, so if you're looking to upgrade your home and sell your existing home, now is a great time to do it. We just went through tons of reasons why you want to do it. And if you're looking to do that, just give us a shout.
Yeah, we'd be more than happy to help you. And if you want to see what we do for our clients, just click on Crew TV or subscribe below. and you won't miss out on what our clients are actually doing, and you could be doing it too.
All right.